Many times I've been asked to make an ultrasonic cleaning tray for cleaning circuit boards and all those kinds of jewelry items. But making one requires an ultrasonic piezoelectric transducer. Well, it's kind of like a ceramic speaker, and those transducers are expensive, they're not easy to find. And you also have to make a driver that generates the ultrasonic signal. Well, a few days ago I was going through the leftovers of things I've used, and I found parts from the ice cream maker, the one I used to make a rotor for very high frequency and ultra high frequency antennas. And, well, I had some parts left over, like, for example, this nice aluminum tray. So, after thinking about it for a while, I thought about making a cleaning tray, but not ultrasonic, rather by vibration. This tray can be used with liquids, like, for example, water with detergent, with solvents, or isopropyl alcohol to clean electronic boards, as you saw at the beginning of the video, right? It can also be used with sand and other abrasive powders, especially carborundum, which you can buy. It's an abrasive powder used for polishing. Well, you can put that powder inside and your rusty parts will come out clean. It will polish them. It will leave them like new, right? So that's good. It was pretty easy to build. With some wood and a piece of threaded rod, I made a kind of support. As you can see here, where you can attach the hand sander, I have 3 hand sanders. This one is shaped like an iron, and well, they're all hard to attach. They have a pretty ergonomic shape. You could put it in a vise, but I don't have a vise that big. And you also have to be careful not to tighten the screw too much and end up breaking the casing. Depending on which sander you have, well, you'll have to make the support different from the one I made. This one is really rustic, but it holds very well. And since it's made of wood, we don't run the risk of breaking the plastic casing. One advantage of this sander is that it doesn't have those wire clamps to hold the sandpaper. Like, for example, this type of sander. This one comes with Velcro. See, look at how the sandpaper comes off there. And, well, to change it, what you can do is just stick another piece of sandpaper on top. Or, well, you can buy the original replacement for this sander. Not now, though. But I got myself some pretty wide strips of Velcro, and I glued them to the aluminum base with contact cement. Just like you see now. Make sure to stick the correct side of the Velcro. Velcro has 2 parts. One part has little hairs, and the other part has little loops that are cut, forming small curls. Well, you have to check which one is the right one so it sticks to the sander. These ice cream machines came with a lid, so when the ice cream was ready, you would take out the motor part and cover the aluminum container. When I got this, the machine didn't work. I think the little motor was burned out. I don't know, something was broken. And, well, they gave me this part. I don't have that lid. But it's important to put something on top so it doesn't splash. Another thing, don't put acid in it. Remember that aluminum can react with acids and, well, you could damage the container. This one that's so good, it's not that pretty. It has that shape just like commercial ultrasonic baths. The base of the support for the sander, the little piece of wood, the one that goes on the bottom, has to be big enough so it doesn't move around. No, because when the sander starts working, everything starts to vibrate. And, well, you have to put some rubber pads as anti-slip or secure it to the workbench with a clamp or a clip. Those that are used in carpentry for clamping, it's not too noisy, but I assure you it's worth it. In just a few minutes, it cleans circuit boards for you. It's super simple. Look at all the dirt it removed from this board in just a little while in the short time you saw there in the video. Very little time. Notice when it works, how it makes little waves on the side, showing how the liquid moves. You can see it there on the side. Also notice when using it like sand, as I already mentioned, carborundum type abrasives work very well for polishing rusty parts. Alright, that was short. Kind of a vacation style video, but I'm sure you found this interesting because it's very practical. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notifications. When I upload new content, you can also join, and in that case, I'll add you to a WhatsApp group. Are the premium members here? Remember that a few days ago I created a new channel exclusively for radio topics, radio amateurs and all that. It's called Caesar's Space. I'll leave the link here in the description so you can check it out. And if you like the topic, you can subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you next time, God willing.